The experience was extraordinary, not only because we got the chance to pitch in front of high profiles, but also we got the chance to network and meet with potential investors.
A big thank you to the Flat6Labs team for all the support they've given us over the past few months and for an amazing first demo day.
We had 5 brilliant startups presenting their businesses, and we had over 100 attendees from the investor community, from local ecosystem organizations, and from the development community attending, along with the Minister of Digital Economy and Entrepreneurship, to support our brilliant entrepreneurs that have graduated from our first seed cycle program.
It's very exciting to witness the first Flat6Labs demo day in Amman. We're very proud of the 5 startups who presented tonight. We can't wait actually to keep supporting them after this graduation tonight, where we would take them across the region, help them scale their businesses, grow their teams, help them with follow-on funding as we do with Flat6Labs. Good luck to all the founders, and we're looking forward to the second demo day of Flat6Labs Amman in 6 months.